Get one on the first cast under the screen. If they're there. There we go. Now it's smalling. Hey there, this is Haight's Wanderings, and today you guys are seeing a pretty cool collaborative film. I am taking out a fellow YouTuber, taking out Fray. He's never caught muskie, or rather, shall I say, he never caught a muskie. I'm not doing my intro right now at the beginning of the float. We're done with the first day, and let me say, he does catch muskie. We've just had we had a really great time so far tonight. I've lost lost a couple of really nice smallmouth. He's lost some nice smallmouth. I think we lost a muskie, caught a muskie, muskie follows, and even a muskie that comes up and smacks a smallmouth. It was the coolest thing. He got it all on film. Hopefully I can borrow some of that and show you guys what it looks like. But anyways, really good fishing so far tonight. We're having a lot of fun. As always, catch, release, wander. Got a decent sized smallie right here. All right. Finally got a fish today. Finally got a fish today. All right, let's get fishing. We're gonna be doing a little bit of wading right here, and we're gonna see if we can't get a muskie or maybe a smallmouth, who knows? We'll see what happens. So anywhere you think a smallmouth would hang out, the same types of areas a muskie would hang out, okay? So like up close to the bank next to like a, you know, like a tree or something? Yeah. Like, just because it's a foot of water doesn't mean it's not holding a muskie. Got one. Go, come on, baby, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Oh, scared her off. All right, that's number one. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that was definitely a muskie. That was like a good 30, probably about 30 inches. Not a huge one, but I want to get you a muskie. So that's a huge one for your first. She almost whacked the figure eight. There's an active fish over here. Oh! Are you kidding me? I thought it was a muskie, Because that V shot off the underneath this log over here, and I was positive. But it was a smallmouth. Really? Yes! Got him a muskie.
In the middle, like you said. I got 2 hooks in him, I think.
Alright, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Yeah. That's a muskie. That did not take long, man.
Told you. Alright.
Yeah, it's a muskie.
Dude.
Oh, are you kidding me? You see that? Oh, this is bad.
Here, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Alright.
Hold that away from your leg. Hold it away from your leg.
It's caught in my shorts.
No, I know, but hold it away so it doesn't.
I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. This thing's jumped out of the net.
I got you.
Okay, yeah, this is pretty bad. I got you. That one hook is out. Here, I'm safe. Nothing bad can happen. You caught up in the net too?
I might break the hook, but I'm gonna get
That's
this.
alright, that's alright. Oh yeah. That might be a later problem. Do you want to take this up? Deal with that later. Oh, good. Okay, take care of that fish. First of all, it's kind of freaking stressed after that. I'll leave that plopper there. It'll look pretty cool.
Alright.
Oh man, that thing just destroyed it right in the middle, like you said. That was my first cast in that pocket.
Alright, so we're gonna grab her by the shotgun it right here. Grab that back. Alright, so we got a muskie right here. Not my muskie, but we got one for Fish Fray over here.
But it was your paddle.
That's
Without
right.
that, couldn't have worked that out. Alright guys, that was an absolute mess. I don't know if you could tell. I think I was recording on the chesty down here, but fish jumped out of the net, stuck the plopper in my pants, but we got a muskie here in the net. Alright. Not a giant by any means, but an awesome fish. Guys, first muskie. Beautiful fish. Might even be more on this trip. That was one of the biggest goals of this trip was to get a muskie. We caught one on top water. How cool is that? I think this one's gonna be ready to go.
All right, here we go, guys. So I guaranteed this guy a muskie, and it took about, let's be honest, about 2 hours of fishing. We fished for probably an hour on the river waiting, and we've probably fished here less than an hour.
Yeah.
There we go. We've had 2 follows, a muskie, and I've had 1 follow, and it almost took a figure 8 loop, but we're gonna keep going, and we are gonna catch some more fish today. Boom. All right, so I just saw a fish kind of roll on the surface up here. I'm gonna take a cast and we're gonna see if we can't get that fish to bite. We're not skunked. I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but Fray forgot his paddle, so we broke mine in 2. That's why you guys have been seeing me paddling with 1. And if you go and watch his video, you can see the other half of this one. But that's okay. I'm glad that we managed to still make do. Oh my gosh. That was a huge smallie, I know it was.
It's an okay smallie. Yeah. These hooks are freaking ginormous, man. There we go.
There we go.
That was awesome, dude. Oh, yeah.
Now it's a smallie.
Really? Almost giant.
That's a 20 maybe.
Come on.
Oh! That was a 20-incher. I guarantee it. Oh my. Ah. My net hooked the lure when I went to get underneath the fish. Nice. Smallie? Did you cast your whopper plopper in here? I would try that. Wow, that's a big smallie.
Oh, musky!
No way! Here.
I'm letting him roll with it. Musky. I don't want to pull on it. He didn't get the plopper in his mouth. See if he's still there. If he gets that plopper in his mouth, I've got him hooked. Big musky, dude. See, he doesn't have the plopper.
Can you bring it this way?
Nope. Smallie got away. Smallie got away. Let him swim?
Nah, it's too big of a smallie, dude. We know there's a muskie in there. See, I told you, dude. That not
anything we threw at him.
bigger baits. I hope you got that on footage.
Oh, yeah. Here, let's not net him. He's gonna...
Yeah, it's...
Although I don't want to get my hand taken off. He took some damage from that.
Dude, that poor guy.
Oh, yeah, he took some damage from that.
That's a beautiful fish, though. I mean, that size fish just got clobbered.
Wow. This is the bait, guys, for these fish. I think he's gonna survive.
Yeah, I think so too.
Torn up pretty good, but that's quality smallie any day. All right, buddy.
All right. That was just insane. So Fray over here made not the best cast in the world, and a smallie shot out from the bank, grabbed the lure, pretty much unhooking the lure because it would have gotten hooked, and shot out into the center. It was like a 15-inch smallie. Then a muskie comes, a big muskie, probably 40 plus at least, and just thrashes that smallmouth. We tried getting it in, maybe netting it, maybe getting it hooked on the whopper. Didn't happen, but that was awesome. Hey, and I said cast that whopper too. So that right there was really cool. There's a chance tomorrow the fishing won't be that great, and that's fine. It's a little bit, it's just super remote. Yeah. And there are muskie in there, but ooh, nice big fish up there. Oh, nice. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass right there.
Couldn't tell how big it was, but so
Nice.
it's
All right. See you guys in the morning.